story Anna too. My nickname is Anna. Today, look my pen. I put my pen same style as. I come in UDTOWN to come Swensen to eat ice cream. When I get coupon for Swensen, 10. Wow, ice cream for me.
I know, it's big because the voucher is on 10/10 what side of sale.
10/10 sale is Anna.
10/10 sale what side?
Can I eat it now? I want to eat. Can I not?
Yeah.
Very big. That looks good.
What is it?
Yeah, funny.
Chocolate covered cherry. We have Halloween cookies coming in the mail soon to decorate.
Okay, let's go. So what are you gonna buy? Now they want this.
And you want this?
Yes. It's funny.
You like orange or black?
Orange.
Orange? Okay. And look at this one.
What is it? It's a vinyl. It has a light. It's for put the put in the toilet or not?
Put somewhere in the hole. Okay?
I can try it. But in there. You cannot. You need to put battery. Yeah, you need to put battery.
Alright, never mind. Wait. Ooh.
What?
Yeah. Okay, we'll look more like that one. Yeah, let's get this one out.
Dad, I want to put it in the door. These are the food, okay? Alec, I want to put it in there near the camera.
Okay.
I think I'll put it here because we like to sit here when we take video, people can see. In my YouTube channel, Rihanna YouTube. I think this one look nice here. Everything in here.
Where are you going to put that?
Door handle.
How do you know how to do that? It was good. Okay, look. It looks like him and it looks tidy. Now I have Halloween pajamas. Please click like in Facebook and click like in Rihanna tube. Please. And subscribe too.